Asian regionalism. Regionalism is a relatively new aspect of Asia's rise. Asian economies are principally connected through markets, but where markets lead, governments are following. Asian leaders have committed to work together more closely and have already taken concrete steps in some areas. The 1997-1998 financial crisis, in particular, was an important catalyst for this new regionalism and gave rise to a range of new initiatives. These have not sought to replicate the institution of the European Union, but have rather focused on finding new and flexible forms of cooperation that reflect the region's diversity and pragmatism, nor are Asia's regional initiatives intended to replace global relationships, but rather to complement them. The stakes could not be higher. A dynamic and outward-looking Asian regionalism could bring huge benefits not just to Asia, but to the world. It could help sustain the region's growth, underpin its stability, and with the right policies, reduce inequality. And it could help marshal a common response to major new challenges that often arise suddenly and unexpectedly. How can regionalism benefit Asia? Link the competitive strengths of its diverse economies to boost productivity and sustain the region's exceptional growth. Connect the region's capital markets to enhance financial stability, reduce the cost of capital, and improve opportunities for sharing risks. Cooperate in setting exchange rate and macroeconomic policies to minimize the effects of global and regional shocks, and to facilitate the resolution of global imbalances. Pool the region's foreign exchange reserves for investment and development. Exercise leadership in global decision-making to sustain the open global trade and financial systems. Build connected infrastructure and collaborate on inclusive development to reduce inequalities within and across economies, and thus to strengthen support for pro-growth policies, and create regional mechanisms to manage cross-border health, safety, and environmental issues better. While Asian regionalism is primarily motivated by the desire to advance welfare in the region, it would not do so by detracting from development elsewhere. On the contrary, Asian regionalism can help to sustain global economic progress at a time when other major regions are reaching economic maturity.